Hello friends, welcome back to our channel for Tech 360. In this video, we are doing Kerala PSC Agriculture Officer Exam Mock Test Set-9. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala PSC as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use FUTECH360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Which of the following soils are found in hills and foothill areas? Options: A. Laterites and lateritic soils, B. Black soil, C. Desert soil, D. Alluvial soil. Correct answer: A. Laterites and lateritic soil. Question number 2. Which of the following crops is generally known as tropical crop? Options: A. Barley, B. Rice, C. Coconut, D. Wheat. Correct answer: B. Rice. Question number 3. What is the depth of plowing for deep-rooted crops? Options: A. 30 to 40 cm, B. 5 to 10 cm, C. 25 to 30 cm, D. 10 to 20 cm. Correct answer: C. 25 to 30 cm. Question number 4. Which of the following crops is generally known as temperate crop? Options: A. Rice, B. Coconut, C. Cotton, D. Wheat. Correct answer: D. Wheat. Question number 5. Which of the following is a disease-causing pathogen in citrus group? Options: A. Oidium garciae, B. Plasmopora viticola, C. Calactotrichum gliosporoides, D. Phytophthora parasitica. Correct answer: D. Phytophthora parasitica. Question number 6. The water use efficiency in drip irrigation can go as high as? Options: A. 85%, B. 95%, C. 75%, D. 80%. Correct answer: B. 95%. Question number 7. Which of the following is a disease-causing pathogen in mango group? Options: A. Plasmopora viticola, B. Cercospora species, C. Phytophthora parasitica, D. Calactotrichum gliosporoides. Correct answer: D. Calactotrichum gliosporoides. Question number 8. There are different methods of seed sowing. Inserting a seed through a hole at a desired depth and covering the hole is known as? Options: A. Dibbing, B. Transplanting, C. Drill sowing, D. Broadcasting. Correct answer: A. Dibbing. Question number 9. Which of the following soils are found most extensively in India? Options: A. Laterite soil, B. Alluvial soil, C. Red soil, D. Black soil. Correct answer: B. Alluvial soil. Question number 10. A simple technique that has developed in India by using which of the following organism as biofertilizers? Options: A. Acetobacter and Rhizobium, B. Azolla and Azotobacter, C. Azolla and Rhizobium, D. Acetobacter and Nostoc. Correct answer: A. Acetobacter and Rhizobium. Question number 11. The practice of forestry for raising fodder grass with scattered fodder trees, fruit trees and fuel wood trees is suitable. Options: A. Farm forestry, B. Shelter belts forestry, C. Rehabilitation of degraded forests, D. Mixed forestry. Correct answer: D. Mixed forestry. Question number 12. Which of the following is a rich source of protein? Options: A. Cytonema, B. Spirulina, C. Spirogyra, D. Stegonema. Correct answer B. Spirulina. Question number 13. In which of the following tillage operations organic residues are not inverted into the soil such as they remain on surface as protective cover against erosion? Options A. Primary tillage, B. Maximum tillage, C. Stubble mulch tillage, D. Zero tillage. Correct answer A. Primary tillage. Question number 14. Which of the following nutrients plays an important role in the root growth and promotes the establishment of younger plants? Options A. Potassium, B. Nitrogen, C. Copper, D. Phosphorus. Correct answer D. Phosphorus. Question number 15. Which of the following is not a micronutrient for plants? Options A. Iron, B. Nitrogen, C. Copper, D. Boron. Correct answer B. Nitrogen. Question number 16. What is the form of sulfur nutrient for plant absorption? Options A. SO, B. SO3 and SO4, C. SO2, D. SO3. Correct answer B. SO3 and SO4. Question number 17. What are the different methods of irrigation? The field is divided into smaller unit area so that each has a nearby level surface. Which of the following represent this method of irrigation? Options A. Drip irrigation, B. Surge irrigation, C. Check basin irrigation, D. Furrow irrigation. Correct answer C. Check basin irrigation. Question number 18. What is the seed rate kg per hectare for line sowing for rice crop? Options A. 110, B. 40, C. 60, D. 100. Correct answer C. 60 kg per hectare. Question number 19. Which of the following tillage operations is off-season tillage? Options A. Winter tillage, B. Secondary tillage, C. Primary tillage, D. Ocean tillage. Correct answer A. Winter tillage. Question number 20. Cankerous spot formation occur in which among the following disease? Options A. Bacterial canker, B. Left spot, C. Root knot nematode, D. Foot rot. Correct answer A. Bacterial canker. Test your 10th level prelims preparation with free test series exam papers each week. Every paper contains all relevant topics and has been carefully prepared by the experts, keeping in mind the latest notification and syllabus for upcoming 10th level prelims in February 2021. You will also have the facility to write the test even after the live test is over. Question paper will have 100 questions and it would be in Malayalam. You can use Futech 360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes from the Unacademy. So enroll now for free. Link is in the description. Question number 21. As per the covering material, which among the following is the type of greenhouse? Options A. Computerized, B. Cooling fan pad, C. Event span, D. Glass glazing. Correct answer D. Glass glazing. Question number 22. Based on construction, which among the following is the type of greenhouse? Options A. Wooden formed, B. Computerized, C. Cooling fan pad, D. Glass glazing. Correct answer A. Wooden formed. Question number 23. Which among the following insect cause damage inside the stem? Options A. Pseudostem borer, B. gallmids, C. brown plant hopper, D. aphid. Correct answer A. Pseudostem borer. Question number 24. In which disease gall formation of fruit occurs? Options A. Bacterial blight, B. Leaf rust, C. Leaf spot, D. Root knot nematode. Correct answer D. Root knot nematode. Question number 25. In which type of tillage 15 to 30% residue left on the soil surface? Options A. Ridge tillage, B. Mulch tillage, C. Reduced tillage, D. no-till. Correct answer C. Reduced tillage. Question number 26. What is the RPM of rotary tiller? Options A. 180 to 200, B. 120 to 150, C. 200 to 250, D. 230 to 280. Correct answer A. 180 to 200 RPM. Question number 27. Which among the following nutrient deficiency symptom is major veins remaining green, top vein become short and slender, and porosis on new leaf? Options: A. Iron, B. Manganese, C. Copper, D. Zinc. Correct answer: A. Iron. Question number 28. Which among the following state has highest alkaline soil? Options: A. UP, B. Gujarat, C. Punjab, D. West Bengal. Correct answer: A. UP. Question number 29. Copra beetle is best of options: A. Seedling, B. Standing crops, C. Vine plants, D. Stored grain. Correct answer: D. Stored grain. Question number 30. Back heart and hollow heart in potatoes occurs due to options: A. Environmental conditions, B. Overdose of fertilizers, C. Rodents, D. Bacterial infection. Correct answer: A. Environmental conditions. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Unacademy has started a 120-day course for degree level exams from 14 January. In this course, top educators will help you prepare for all degree level exam. The course will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC. Learners at any stage of their preparation will be benefited from the course. All doubts related to the topic will be clarified during the doubt clearing sessions in this course. These are the newly launched HSA courses in Unacademy Plus. Shafi, Thompson sir will provide in-depth knowledge of natural science for HSA. These courses will be helpful for aspirants preparing for Kerala PSC, so don't miss a class. Subscribe to Unacademy. You will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.